Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome to another edition of my Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a fun, easy, quick song to learn. The song is called I Used to Love Her. It was performed by Guns N' Roses. This particular song was a B-side and never really performed well on the charts, but it's still a fan favorite and very, very fun to play live. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chords and the chord progression to this great song. Okay, three very, very easy chords to play for this song. Let's have a look at them now. First one is a D. There's an A major, and then a G. That's it. Those three easy chords gets you through this entire song. Let's take a couple minutes now and look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. Okay, so this particular song has somewhat of a quick tempo, and at a certain point the chord changes come at you fairly quickly. So follow along on the charts that I put up here, practice it a few times, and after a short period of time I'm sure you'll be a pro at it. Let's get right to the chord progression and some strumming now. Starts on the D chord. Here we go. To the A chord, to the G chord, back to the A chord. Used to love her, but had to kill her. Used to love her, but had to kill her. I had to put her 6 feet under, and I can still hear her complain. Oh, that's it. Oh, the song makes me laugh. I love playing it. Great fun. Great fun. Now, the song itself is actually quite short. It's only about 3 minutes long. And of course Slash has some thundering great solos in it as well that certainly chew up a little bit of the time as well. I add my own little flair to this particular song that you'll see when we go through it. You may choose to add your own. Maybe you want to add in another verse. It's up to you completely. Just anything to kind of lengthen the song a little bit. With that said, we're going to mic it up. I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me. I used to love her, but I had to kill her. I used to love her, but I had to kill her. Used to love her, but I had to kill her. I used to love her, but I had to kill her. I knew I'd miss her, so I had to keep her. She's buried right in my backyard. Used to love her, but so much. She drove me nuts, and now I'm happier this way. I used to love her, but I had to kill her. I used to love her, but I had to kill her. I had to put her 6 feet under, and I can still hear her complain. And there you have it, Used to Love You, written and performed by Guns N' Roses. It's a fun song to play live. Lots of people sing along with it, especially men. I don't know why that is exactly. Thank you for tuning in to my acoustic lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. I truly appreciate it. Till the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.